How'd you get into motorcycles in the first place?
When I was a kid, I grew up in Toronto, Canada, and every summer, motorcycle gangs would come into the Yorkville. I just remember as a little kid, 11-year-old, going like, freedom. It felt like freedom. It felt like alternative. It felt like power. You know, like, like I'd come in, camaraderie, the whole thing. And so it began.
I like that you're like a dude. You know, like you're sitting on the ground, getting filthy, drinking coffee, talking about stuff. Like it's nice.
No, it's
to
nice.
see you on
Get
the
the
ground.
opportunity to ride and hang out.
Cheers. Thank you for
Cheers
doing this
to the
episode.
mud. Thank you, Mr. Ritas.
It's a pleasure to have you, man.
Pleasure, man. Thank you for the journey.